Hi, my name is Mansi and I'm the founder and the director of M&M Recruitment Solutions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today I want to discuss with you a very important method, which is job hunting. How do you actually job hunt? Now, in my career as a recruiter, I come across many people who say, Mansi, I've been applying for hundreds of roles and recruiter doesn't call me back, a hiring manager doesn't call me back, I have still not able to find the right job for me. I'm desperately looking for work, I don't know what to do, it's a bad luck, I've applied like 500 jobs, I don't know. And I'm sorry to be a whistleblower, it's not a bad luck, it's the wrong method. And that's what I tell them and coach them. And as much as you think I don't know what I'm talking about, I'm serious. I know what I'm talking about and what works. So listen to me carefully. If you're actively seeking or actually doing a job hunt at the moment, it is very natural for us to think that if I'm going to apply for 500 jobs, at least I'll get one. You may or you may not, but the chances of you might not getting is more than you are getting the job. The reason I say this is, let's say you have applied for 500 roles, you even get like 5 callbacks. The moment you get a callback, are you going to remember that which company that is out of that 500 jobs that you've applied for? What did the role description say? What did the advertisement say? And the moment recruiter will start talking to you that, hi, thank you for your interest, I wanted to explore more into your skills, you are setting yourself up for a failure because you don't know what to say. You can't remember what job ad it was, right? Or you might just say that, hey, I've been applying for a lot of jobs lately, can you tell me which one it was? And trust me, we lose interest there because we feel you're not sincere about the company that you've applied for, especially if you're applying in white collar industry. This is the case. See, blue collar is different. Blue collars are the role for laborer, pickpacker. That is a different industry. But white collar industry, let it be admin, customer service, or any white collar industry role, that's not the approach that you want to take. So what's the approach you want to take? The approach you want to take is, even if you think that you can do multiple roles, like accounts payable, customer service, sales, junior BDM, even if you think that you've got it all, you need to decide that which industry you want to move forward. Let's say, for example, you decide customer service industry to move forward. Now again, you have to narrow it down because customer service is a very big industry. What sort of customer service role you want to do? Do you want to do call center role? Do you want to do retail, face-to-face, hospitality? What sort of customer service role you want to get into? Once you have decided that, then you shortlist 10 jobs that you want to apply for. After you have shortlisted those jobs, go through the job description or advertisement very carefully. All the 5 key points, for example, listed on that advert, think in your head, do you tick all 5 of them? Then please go ahead and apply for the job. If you think that you can't do, but you might manage, it's okay, don't. Even if you're applying for 5 jobs, you will get a call back. It will increase your chances of getting hired. And I'll tell you the method how. After you've applied for those 5 or 10 roles, don't leave it on God and say, okay, my fate will call me. No, do a follow up with a recruiter. Most of the adverts these days have contact details of a recruiter or a hiring manager. If there are details posted on the job advert, give them a call. Say, hey, I've applied for this role and I would really like to be considered. If there is no contact number in an email, send a follow-up email. I would like to be considered for this role, I've applied. After a few days, do that again. Even, let's say, even if they don't consider you for that role, worst case scenario, and you don't get a call back, you will be noticed in their mind. In today's day and time, it is very important to be noticed and stand out. The reason I say this, there are not only hundreds of applications floating in the market, there are thousands of people looking for work. How are you any different? How are you going to stand out? I hope this helps and good luck with your job search. I am sure if you follow this tip, it will increase your chances of getting an interview and getting hired very soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding CV, interview coaching, or job hunting, please feel free to get in touch with me. Thank you.